Welcome back to the channel. I've got a software review for you today. Ike Paz and Luke Bowes just came out with a brand new activity book creation software. These are called low or mid content books on Amazon KDP. It is a way that you can actually start building a business around making money online, and a lot of people are getting results. Here's some results in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in. I'm getting $1,500, and that's just this month, and this is in February. So this is all with free traffic, just publishing high quality books on Amazon KDP as a way to make extra money online. So this is Monaka royalty. So Monaka, this is my Monaka royalty review. Finally learn how Ike activated multiple passive royalty streams with just a few simple clicks. Built-in free buyer traffic, 6 proven to convert book types. I'll get into that and show you that. We'll look at the software together. 0 API keys needed, no reoccurring costs ever, 3 more bonus book types. No need for email lists or websites, full case study and training videos. With Ike's products, he leads off with proof of concept and case studies that this actually works and starts making people real money. This isn't flashy. It's not $20,000 a month, and you're probably not going to make $20,000 a month doing this, but you can build this up to $1,000, $2,000 a month or more if you take it serious and you stay consistent and you are dedicated to the process. I will just lead off with a tip. In today, 2026, Amazon KDP, the game has changed massively over the last 5 years. This has been a really big way to make money over the last 15 years online. Amazon, with AI and everything, has had to crack down on quantity and quality. So there were people publishing dozens of books or even hundreds of books daily using automation tools and all that. Amazon has cracked down on that. That doesn't work. I don't recommend you wasting your time with that. The difference is now is quality. It's all about quality. They've even changed the amount that you're allowed to publish. I believe that you're allowed to publish only 1 to 3 books per day max. I know it's 3 books per day max. They might have even changed it. They started off with 3 books per day. It might only be 1, but regardless, my advice to you is not to publish 3 books per day, because the people that are even doing that are getting their accounts banned. So I recommend no more than 1 book per day. And you want to spend an hour or 2 working on that book, making sure that the keyword is right, making sure that your book cover is better than the rest, better than the competitions, and make sure that the interior of the book is high quality as well. So put the effort in, right? So the 2 hours that you would normally spend on this 3, 4, 5 years ago, and you would have published 10 to 20 books in that time, you're just going to reverse that, and you're going to still spend the same amount of time, but it's only going to be on 1 book. And I think that's less intimidating. I think that that is really good. You can be proud of the book that you're publishing and just publish the 1 book per day max. Some people are publishing like 1 to 3 books per week and really going the distance on the quality. So you can go over here. There's plenty of proof that this actually works. Goes over the different niches that they're working in. Here's the software creator, really good software creator. He's been dominating with these kinds of softwares. I mean, there's no one else on the planet that makes the softwares quite as good as Luke Bowes. This is the guy that actually has been doing this for 10 plus years, Ike Paz, making money with Amazon KDP. So these are guys that actually live inside the niche and make money doing this, and then they build the best software. So really cool combination of people. You can see right over here the different markets that you could potentially sell this on, and what some of the books look like and so forth. And then some more royalties. Some people are making $1,800, $1,900 in royalties and so forth. So that is the sales page, but really we want to jump in and check. They've also moved their software suite. This is the same as Nuri Creator. This is the same as Crispy Sticks, Nuri Creator. They've got a lot of different products, and they're moving all their tools over to this new software environment. Just looks really, really good. And the way that they built this sound very, very modern, obviously. So this is great because they're continuing to launch tools and so forth. They've got book cover creators. They've got keyword research tools. They've got everything, right? And they probably figured out that like, hey, it's going to be better for our support tickets, for everything to just be under one roof. And so that's the direction that they're heading right here. You'll be able to see how many tools you own and how many upgrades are active. If you don't have access to something, this one is not added yet, but you'll be able to go and push a button and get access to it and purchase it. Let's go over here real quick before we show you the software. Here's the training. You can start the course right here. Click on that. all the videos are right here. Show you how to create the Sudokus, the crossword puzzles, the cryptograms, the word search, the word scramble, book covers. All the videos are hosted right in here. So if you get the Shogun upgrade, it's one of the upgrades to this product. It's one of the one-time offers. You'll get a 9-lesson course right there. You'll get the Kai right here. If you get the Kai OTO2, I believe, upgrade. The Drawn is another upgrade. And then Amazon KDP profit case study right here. You actually get access to that on the front end. So you get access to the Monaka and the case study right here. Let me just show you what that looks like. You've got these 6 videos right here, him using this software to go out there and actually make money. So you can join the Facebook group. You can submit a support ticket right over here as well. They've got some more free tools for you right there. They also have a light mode right over here. I like dark mode better, way easier on the eyes. So I'm going to go like that. Boom. Let's get started. Before we go and take a look at Monaka royalty, I'm not going to be able to show you how to do everything in here. We'll probably just pick one. I'll show you it. We already know that the software is going to work and it's really good. I've reviewed their software for years now, and every time they come out, yeah, there might be a couple bugs here and there. They fix the bugs. I can shoot an email right now, literally on Facebook Messenger. I found a misspelling on their sales page, and I took a screenshot of it, sent it over to him, and he thanked me for that. And they updated that and they fixed that, right? So we kind of work as a team as well. I don't want his sales page to have a misspelling on it, so I go and try to do the right thing. But they do care about their product. It's going to be here for a very long time. It's important to know that this is software that actually, when put in the right hands and the right mind, can actually be very powerful and actually start making you real money online. And that's what I really like about these types of softwares, and where you'll kind of tend to notice that I get excited about this software and I kind of push this product more than I would other products. Go watch all my reviews. I don't really push product down your throat. I don't tell you just go and buy this product or anything like that. There's really just a handful of products. The last time I did that was WordRocket, and that's an amazing AI writing tool. This one is Manaka royalty. So I can recommend this software just because I know the creators. I know that you'll be taken care of. It's a really good tool. So what we're going to do before I go jump into that, I just want to show you my bonus page and kind of go over. I did put together a brand new exclusive bonus just for this launch. So I'm not giving away $1,000 course or anything like that. I put together a brand new training. So all you have to do, if you click the link below and you want to sign up and you want to get my bonuses, I believe my bonus is going to be the best because I'm thoughtful in the bonus that I'm creating it. I actually create it as if I'm creating my own product that I would actually go out there and sell to you. I'm giving that away as a free bonus for picking up the tool via my link. I only do this on launches that I really care about. It's usually only like if I really cared about a tool, like it was an AppSumo tool. Unfortunately, I've told them, hey, I can't give out bonuses to software. So I let them know that they need to create some type of mechanism where I could know who purchased product through AppSumo through my link, that I could deliver a bonus to them. They never really implemented that. So it just doesn't help with sales, right? So that's what I actually like about Warrior Plus and JVZoo is that I'm allowed to, there's a really good mechanism in there for me to add a bonus that you'll automatically get it delivered to you if you purchase through my link. The system knows if you purchase it through my link and everything. So that's why, and only on some launches I will do this. And like I said, with Manaka royalty, because of the creators and what the tool can do, that's why I went the extra distance this morning. Getting this video out a little bit late because I spent the last couple hours putting this bonus together for you. So what is the bonus, right? So this is a brand new exclusive bonus just for you. For the Monaka launch right here, you're going to get the bonuses underground Amazon KDP keyword research. It includes a full training video, free underground insane keyword research tool I just found, and a list of 50 plus vetted KDP activity book keywords with low competition. All right, so this is the bonus I just put together. This bonus pack is really good. I recorded a 15-minute training video going over the bonus KDP keywords that I researched, spent an hour doing this one keyword at a time. I'm going to show you one example of that. How to validate a keyword as a good keyword, and how to do extensive keyword research using a new underground free keyword tool to get unlimited keywords that you can go out there and create these activity books for, right? And this is what I think will separate the folks, right? So the KDP research, this is what's going to separate the folks getting hundreds or thousands in sales per month versus the ones that dabble month after month and eventually move on to another opportunity. It's all about the keyword research, and my bonus solves this for you. So all you have to do is just click the link below, click on one of these green buttons right here, go pick up the front end offer, and you're going to get access to my entire training right over here. This is what it's going to look like, right? We have the keyword research tool link. You're just going to click on that. It's going to take you over to the keyword research tool. And then you're going to click on this button right here. It's going to take you over to the full training video. Right now it's at 18 minutes. I need to edit it. So I'm figuring it's going to be about a 15-minute video. This is the training video that I'm going to be showing you all these different keywords and how to do keyword research with the new keyword research tool that I found as well. And then right here, that's the access to the keyword research tool. Here is 2 keywords that I left on here just to show you. I blocked out everything over there and I blocked out all these keywords right over here, all these keywords that I went and did this for, right? And so what I did was, this is a niche right here. This is just straight up like a niche that you could go into right here. We could paste this in and you can see large print word search seniors, and you have all these other keywords. We can just go click on this and you can see that this is actually a pretty untapped niche. There's 8,000 right there, but you can do a control find and see what's actually ranking. So you have this, a large print word search for seniors, right? Large print word search for seniors. And you go and on the front page right here, here is a book ranking that put that keyword in their title. But what's even more exciting is when you go and you do this search right here, I found this keyword right here doing the same thing and finding this keyword. So we can put that keyword in right here. You can see this is searched for, what people are looking for, and it gets search volume. We're going to click on that and you can see there's less than 800 books on Amazon published in this market. And if we do a control find and control V, you will see there's only a couple books ranking on page 1. And you can see this one is ranked and it's not a sponsored book, right? So it's not sponsored. It's actually ranking. It's got a 4.9 average, almost 30 verified reviews, selling for $10. Do you think you could create a book cover like this or create it a little bit flashier and better than that? Absolutely. This is the exact keyword that I found for you. And then you can go and do another one. And even this one that only has a 3.2 star rating. So you're going to be able to do better than that. Look at this. This is actually not a very nice looking cover. I think that you can do a lot better than that, right? Like this is way better, but this exact same keyword right there that we just put in there for dementia. And they have 7 reviews selling it for $11. They're making money, right? So less than 800. So the competition's low. There's proof that this exact keyword is bringing in sales and reviews for people. And that's the keyword research that I did for you. And that's really just like the first keyword that I'm giving you, right? That my bonus is ridiculous for the price that you're going to get for the software anyways. So you want to go in and get my bonus. Very important. All right. Enough about that. I know this is long-winded just to get into the software, but with these launches, it's really important to kind of dissect, tell you about the business model, tell you about who created the software. If I have an exclusive bonus, that's what I'm giving to you. Okay. Now we're going to jump into the software. So we have crosswords, we have word search. There's a bunch. We're going to launch the word search generator right here. So let's launch the word search generator. We have a bulk mode, we have story mode, and we have pages right here. You can select if you want 8.5 by 11 and 6.5 by 9, but I would say 8.5 by 11 is probably going to be the best for a word search. This is what it's going to look like right over here. We've got all these different options right over here. We can add another page. We can do all kinds of different things right there. We can go right here, grid size. We can change the grid size right there. I'm just going to leave it on the settings that it has, how many rows you want. You can make it, let's go to 25. You can make it more complex. The more rows, you can make it very complex and more difficult if you want. But we're just going to go back over here to the standard settings at 15 by 15 right here. I like how it's using the full space of the page. We can move that around if we want to, or we'll just center it like that. It looks perfect right there. So full control over everything. We can upload shapes and do different things. We can decorate it. Words right over here. So you've got your word search right here. So we've got word search, puzzle, words, clues, all that kind of stuff, right? So you're going to go out, circle, and click the AI button. Is it going to go out and do some keyword research for us for circle? Oh, okay. So there we go. So we put circle in AI and then it made a circle crossword puzzle. That is nuts. Look at that. That is so cool. You can actually put in a shape right here and it'll make a custom circle crossword puzzle for you. That's really cool. Okay. So I'm going to clear that. I'm going to stick with the keywords here, but obviously it's telling you 15 words, click outside or control enter to apply. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it like this. Now, I don't know if there's a way to get all the keywords right over here, but you're going to want to go and do some research. Really what you're going to do is just use ChatGPT or something like that and say, hey, what are some common medium type words that most seniors, let's just give that dementia one, and maybe just do some research in ChatGPT and say, hey, I need this many words or something like that. And you're going to probably use a large language model to come up with the to come up with the words for your word search. Okay. Then you have your layout and margins right over here. You can move this dial right here in order to change that. The title gap right there, you can move that up and down. So you have full customization. You can display the page numbers if you want to. Okay, so there we go. So there's page number 1. We can leave that on there. We can change the color of that. We can change the typography if we want to. We can change the appearance right here, line thickness right here. We can actually go like that if we want to. You can do border only, none. You can do so many things right here to control how you want your word search or activity. It's going to be similar for all the other ones, how you want them to look. So solution, display, generation options. And so you have allow backwards, allow diagonal words. You can take that off, right? You can, if you don't want backwards, you can just take that off, but those are pretty standard. So the title is word search. You're going to put the title in right there. And then you can download this as a PDF, PowerPoint, SVG, or PNG. So now you have these 2 pages right here, and I'm actually going to delete that page, and you've got that. You can go up here to export over here as a zip and so forth. I believe you'll be using the PDF version to upload to Amazon. So that's what you're going to do right there. Okay, so I'm going to go exit out of this and just go back up to the top. There's an instructions and a copyright page as well. We'll just go with the download PDF. I just clicked that button right there and it literally just downloaded this PDF, and there you go. There's your page right there. So it's got the answer page right here. So that's going to go to the back. That's the answer page. And then this is the crossword puzzle right there, or the word search puzzle. Okay, so perfect. And then you'll just close out of that. You'll go back over here and we'll just say we want to go with a crossword generator. I'll just show you that real quick. You have all your crosswords right over here. And again, your typography, your page numbers, all the different things. And now you have the clues. Each one will have a different section depending on what the game is. And there's a crossword puzzle. And this is what a crossword puzzle will look like right here. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. That's what those puzzles, full-blown software. Each one of these could be sold by itself, and you get access to all 6 of those. Mini crossword generator, cross math. Let's launch one of these and see what cross math looks like. This is one of the upgrades. It's going to have instructions. These are very unique and can separate you the more of these add-ons that you get. Bridges generator, jigsaw, mandala generator. Let's take a look at, you have your mandalas and all kinds of different things that you can do clicking on this. That's really cool. Pixel color by number. This is going to be the Kai Elite to get access to these softwares. Each one has different, I have no idea what we're looking at right here, but that's what that looks like. It'll probably explain what the game is. What is a bridges generator? You have this right over here. Obviously it's going to have the instructions. And then here's a hand-drawn crossword puzzle. So that is really cool. And they're going to come up with hand-drawn coloring pages right there. Now I'm wondering what we do to create generation options. Okay, so you use the AI right here. So let's just say tree. If we put tree and generate, it should generate a tree hand-drawn crossword puzzle for us. And there's a tree right there. And wow, that's actually really unique. That is one of the most unique in this industry, KDP industry, that I've actually seen. So that's really cool. Hand-drawn mazes. I'll just show you what the hand-drawn maze will look like. And then finally, I'll show you what the hand-drawn word searches would look like as well. Just like that. And let's zoom in. Really unique stuff right there. It looks like someone literally drew this out. You can see the lines. It looks like a fresh drawing. So again, if you want my bonus and you want to pick up Monaka royalty from Ike Pause, it just launched today on February 24th. There's only about a 5-day launch or something like that. You can pick this up. I forgot to go over the pricing. The front end offer, just to get access to those first 6 puzzles, it's $27 for the front end. And then the OTO1 is the pro version at $77. Upgrade 2 is the Elite at $197. And the upgrade 3 is Ultima, is at $87 right there. So thank you for joining me in this extensive review. The link will be below. Happy publishing.